Damn, Danielle! Back at it again with another video.
Huh? Packing the mail, it's gone. She like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed a deal, I'm on. Yeah.
Hi guys, Danielle Taylor here. Welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So if you can already tell by the title and just looking at this video, we're about to turn these pants from this to this with just like a few simple steps, guys. The steps gonna be so freaking easy. Like, you don't even gotta pay for ripped jeans no more after you just finish watching this tutorial. Like, I promise you. I got these jeans right here that I'm wearing. I got these from Forever 21 and they was $9. The ripped jeans that look just like this were $29, but I got this pair for $9. And the things you're gonna need to make for these ripped jeans, you're gonna need a newspaper or a book or anything that you don't need, a razor, some tweezers, and you're gonna need a razor. And these are just like all the things you're gonna need. So jumping right into the video, you seen that I put the folded newspaper inside the pants, and then I'm taking my razor and I'm just basically making some lines across the pants. Basically, the newspaper is there to help you not kind of cut through on the other side. You guys, I got my assistant here helping me right now. Like, she's just basically walking around making sure I'm doing everything right. But so I'm taking my blade and I'm just cutting some lines across the pants, basically where I want my rips to be at, and I'm making you don't really have to cut them in a certain type of way. They basically just have to be lines across the pants. That's it. And the newspaper is basically helping me so I won't cut through on the other side of the pants. If you do decide to use a razor, I'm not sure how that works with scissors, but if you use a razor, just make sure you're using something so it won't cut through on the other side. And again, look at my assistant, so helpful, just holding down the pants for me so they won't move around and everything. She's just like super helpful. I'm very grateful to have this assistant just helping me out with this project. So yeah, she's just like smelling and examining things, making sure this razor is just like approved to be used in this project. So right now she just decided to like sit on her pants because she just got tired from all that walking around. So I'm just letting her rest while I'm pulling together the pants. Okay, she was in my way, obviously. So after I cut the lines on both sides of the pants, I'm just taking it and I'm pulling it out just a little bit, so that by the time I put my jeans in the washer, they're gonna tear up really good. And look at my assistant chewing on the supplies, guys. Like, this is why you can't really, find good help, because they want to chew on all the supplies and stuff like that. So that's just what she's doing. So the razor is helping a little bit, but you're gonna see where the razor really comes in handy. I don't really need it right now, but it's gonna come in handy at the end. So I'm just basically pulling the cuts apart, making sure that by the time I throw these in a wash machine, I'm gonna get like that really ripped look that I want. And then you can go ahead and you can rip them up some more if there's not long enough, because some of these wasn't long enough and I want to just get the razor, so I decided to just rip them with my hands, which also did the job. So I'm just taking the newspaper because I wanted a few more rips in it. So I just took the newspaper, stuffed it inside the hole, and just take my razor again to cut some more rips across the jeans because I wanted it to look a certain type of way. So I was trying to go for a desired look. Again, using my razor to kind of, make some of the threading come out easier. So like I said, by the time I throw these in the washer, you're gonna see. Doing the other side too, because you don't want to do one side and not do the other, then it's gonna not come out looking right. One side gonna be looking shredded and ripped, and the other side just gonna be looking like you should have just throw these back in the washing machine, rip these up again, whatever. So I'm pulling the thread out, cutting them some more so it can look really ripped. And as you can see, I have more rips on one side of the jeans than the other side, because again, that's the desired look that I was going for. You can basically put the rips anywhere that you want to put them at. I just knew I wanted them right here on the thigh, and I wanted on one side it to be like up and down the whole pants. And then I'm taking my tweezers and I'm basically just doing whatever I can to help pull some of the thread out, so it can be easier and very much loose by the time these go in the washing machine. So I flipped it around and I wanted some rips on one of the booty cheeks. So I decided to put some rips right there, and then I wanted some across the pocket. For the pocket, obviously I did not have nothing in there. So one of the cuts that I did went through the hole. Went through the back of the pants, but it didn't really matter to me. Like it wasn't nothing that was like I was too worried about, as long as like on the pants leg itself it didn't go through. So I except for right here, like right here I had cuts on the other side, so it really didn't even matter for right there, because on the other side of this same pants leg I have some cuts already. So it really didn't matter to me about using a newspaper for right here. So I'm just pulling it loose with my fingers and making sure that, you know, again, by the time these go in the washing machine, all the threading is going to come out very easily. So now it's time to throw these bad boys in the washing machine. You just wash them regularly how you would do any of your clothes, you know. And then once you wash them and dry them, this is how they look. So it looks really shredded, right? Okay, but most of that threading didn't come out all the way, because that's what the tweezers is going to come in handy for, the tweezers and the razor. So I'm just taking my tweezers and I'm basically pulling the thread out. So you basically want to pull out the blue part of the jeans. So you're going to use your tweezers, and this part right here is very, very tedious, guys. This video is only 12 minutes long, but I think I was pulling thread for about maybe an hour, because the threadings are so little. Look at my assistant. She just, you know, again, she's holding down the pants, and right here my assistant was getting a little tired of watching me, so she decided that she wanted to take like a quick little nap. So she's gonna do that while I'm working, of course, because, you know, leave it up to me to do all the work. So you see how it's like white part of the thread. Okay, thank you very much, Stormy. I got this. But you see how there's like white parts of the thread and blue parts? Look at her holding the pants. I'm basically pulling out the blue part of the threading, and you see, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's coming out really, really fast, because once you wash them, it basically make it loose enough for it to do. If you were to try to do this while the pants were not really washing and was still kind of tight, it would have been much harder to pull the threading out, I promise you. So she's getting ready to take a nap now, guys. She just gotta clean herself right quick and just watch me while I work, and I'm basically just gonna, you know, do all the work. So, oh gosh, she's so freaking cute. It's just so cute with her little paws up. So if you can tell at the bottom of the pants, it's like a whole bunch of little blue pieces. That's all basically all of the blue thread that I pulled out of the jeans so far. So now I think, I can't remember what I was doing, because obviously I was doing something, but it's still a few more pieces of, y'all don't hear her crying in the background right now while I'm trying to record this voiceover. So y'all see how fast I'm going with pulling the blue parts out? Like, it's coming out faster and faster now. Like, it's so freaking easy to do. Like, who's buying ripped jeans for like $80-$90? At first, when I went to go look for jeans, and I wanted some ripped jeans for my birthday, so I went to go look for some. At first, I went into like American Eagle, $70 freaking $70. And then I went into like Forever 21, again, $30 for ripped jeans. Like, who what? I paid $9 for these jeans. You can go to like the thrift store and get jeans for like $5 and do this yourself. Like, ain't nobody about me paying that much for ripped jeans. So again, my assistant decided to get more comfortable and move up a little bit higher up on my jeans. I don't know what I was doing. I was doing something. So I think I was on the phone or something. So you guys see how fast I'm moving. It's coming out really fast, and it's taking no time to pull this thread out, basically. Like, no time. So I'm gonna do this on both sides. Obviously, I'm not gonna put it on camera because I think I already did the other side. That's probably why I'm doing this side now. I think, yeah, I already did the other side, so I'm doing this side now. But you're basically gonna do this into your desired look. Like, pull as much thread as you want out. Don't try to pull too less thread out and then you gotta go back in and do it later, because this is a tedious thing. Like, I still want this whole little piece to be gone. So pull out to your desired length and your desired look. Just do how you want your jeans to look, because again, you're the one who's got to wear these. But kind of be careful because you don't want to pull too much threading out that makes any sense at all. Like, you don't want it to be basically looking ball. But look how fast I'm going, like pulling this thread out, and my assistant just like fast asleep while I'm working. Why she decided to go sleep on my jeans, I don't know. No idea. None. Because she don't even sleep in like the beds that we buy her. So I don't know. Oh my god, she looks so cute. She turned over. Oh my god. That's the cutest position ever when she's sleeping in this position. But so I'm pulling out more of the thread on the other side, and it's basically at this point self-explanatory because I ain't gotta really say too much about what you gotta do to this part. But yeah, just pull out as much thread as you want to your desired length, and then the jeans are going to be ready. Again, you can throw these back in the dryer again after you pull out as much of the thread as you want. Just go ahead and pull out the thread and then throw these bad boys in the dryer again after you do that. You don't exactly have to wash them again. And this is how it came out right here. I love how it looked. I love how it came out, honestly. They look so freaking cute on me. Guys, over my little birthday break, I gained a couple of pounds, so they were a little bit tight on me, but these are the jeans that I wear. So again, I'm gonna be losing weight, so they're gonna be fitting. But y'all see the bottom part? The bottom part was definitely how I wanted them to look. This is how the back of these jeans look. So this is definitely the look that I was going for. Like, I'm so freaking in love with how they turned out. $9. Again, you can go to like the Salvation Army, the thrift store, and get jeans for like $4 or $5 and do the same look. Like, even if you have jeans in your closet and you want to give them that more ripped look, you can do this with this video. Like, it's so easy, so self-explanatory. Just go ahead and don't be spending all your coins on ripped jeans for no apparent reason, guys. So that is it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.